If you're looking to create an employee agreement in Deel quickly and easily, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can set up your employee agreements with confidence, whether you're hiring remotely or managing a distributed team. First, when you log into Deel, you'll be on your dashboard. To create an employee agreement, you need to start by selecting the Contracts tab, which is where everything related to agreements is stored. From there, you can either choose to create a new contract or manage existing ones. Click on the Create New Contract button. Deel makes this part super easy by walking you through all the necessary details. The first thing you'll need to do is select the type of employee you're hiring. Deel offers different templates for full-time, part-time, contractors, and more, based on your needs. Once you've chosen the type of contract, you'll be asked to enter the employee's details like their name, job title, salary, and start date. If your employee is located in a different country, Deel will automatically tailor the contract according to local labor laws, so you don't have to worry about compliance issues. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in any specific terms, like the employee's work hours, compensation, and benefits. Deel makes it easy to add clauses related to bonuses, equity, or other custom terms. You can even include information about vacation days, confidentiality, and other relevant agreements. After you've added all the details, Deel will generate a contract draft for you. You'll get to review everything before it's finalized, ensuring that all the terms are correct. If anything needs to be adjusted, you can go back and make changes before moving on. Once you're happy with the contract, you can send it to your employee for review and signature. Deel offers a secure e-signature feature that makes this step simple and efficient. No more back and forth with printed documents or scanning. The contract is signed digitally, and both you and your employee receive a copy. Another great feature of Deel is that it allows for automated reminders. If you have employees in multiple time zones, Deel will send out automatic reminders to make sure the agreement gets signed on time, saving you from any potential delays. Now, I want to let you know that Deel offers a free trial. You can try out all the features I just mentioned with no commitments. If you're looking to streamline your contract management process, Deel is definitely a software worth considering. Just click the first link in the description below to claim your exclusive bonuses and start using Deel for free today. So, if you're creating employee agreements in Deel, you're using one of the best tools out there for simplifying the entire process. With its intuitive interface and global compliance capabilities, Deel is an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes. Don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial and access all the powerful features Deel has to offer.